Welcome to JH. Today we're tackling the monumental task of logging into the NFHS network, because apparently, navigating a website is still considered a high-level skill in the 21st century. Start by opening any web browser. Yes, even the one you only use for incognito sessions, and type nfhsnetwork.com into the search bar. Hit enter and wait for the site to load, which should give you just enough time to wonder why you're watching high school sports instead of doing something productive. Once the page finally graces you with its presence, hunt down the login button in the top right corner of the screen. If you don't have an account yet, click sign up and prepare to hand over your digital soul to create one. For those of you who actually remember your credentials, simply enter your email address and password in the designated fields. Click login, and you're officially ready to stream. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one where we might learn something equally groundbreaking.